Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Zahir Islam. Let me introduce my project first. My project title is Rethinking of Shamoli Bazar with the Community Propensity. And my site is located at Shamoli, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dhaka is the capital of my country. And what is Bazar? Bazar is mostly called open air market, we serve as a trading venue for the local people. And at the same time, hard means once or twice in a week, lot of people come together and they visit market, they buy a lot of things. And here is the different diversion period of time, how it looks like my site from 2001 to 2018. And here is my site. There is a big field just near my site, so I also work with the field as well in my site. This is the government restriction for the hard bazar, so which I have to follow in my design as well. And there is some site analysis, like 30 to 40 years people would like to gather more in bazar or hut. Here is some findings which I work with my design, like there is no proper zoning, there is no specific space for vendor, there is no parking space, there is no no shop security. So I just try to figure it out all those time and work on that in my design. This is the existing bazar layout, how it looks like nowadays, and the transportation systems also. And here I'm going to talk about my proposed plan and zoning. I started to work on a rectangle so that I can make a coded space, because as I'm talking about a bazar, a lot of people gather together. So I try to make a coded space so that at the same at a certain period of time, all the peoples can come together. They can roaming around the bazar market. They can get a good circulation as well. Here is the product, which product I have found from the bazar, so that it's make easier to work on my design. And here is my master plan, where I also provide some block plans to make it easier, how I'm thinking to design in a sense in the project. And here is also some conceptual drawings which I tried initially, how I'm gonna work with my project, as I'm thinking to implement the local material as well, because what happens in bazar, the shopkeepers they couldn't afford a lot of money for their stall, so they have to pay a certain amount of money in a week basis, so that it can happen easier to get a shop and to sit there to sell their products. So here is also I try to do some sections, some blow-ups, some elevations, which make me easier to work on my design. Thank you.